Hello and welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, you will learn some interesting things about VLC Media Player. When talking about the best media players, VLC Media Player has to rank on the top, and for good reason. It can run almost any media file available. It can even play broken and fragmented files. VLC is not just a media player, it has far more features. It can convert media file format, take a snapshot, add a watermark, record screen, and much more. To go through the number of hidden features, VLC could fill an entire wiki, which it does. So instead of you reading through the incredibly technical wiki, I have gathered the best 12 VLC tips and tricks you might not know about. Number 1. Convert media files. VLC can be used to convert media files into a wide variety of formats. Click on the Media menu and click on Convert Save. Click on the Add button and navigate to the media file you want to convert. Click on the Convert Save button. From the Profile drop-down menu, select your desired codec or format to convert to. Click on the Browse button and choose a destination to save the converted file. Give a name to the new file. Click on the Start button. You can see that the file is being converted and the progress is shown on the VLC timeline. The conversion process is now finished. You can now play the converted media file in VLC. As I said before, VLC is not just a media player, it has lots of powers and features. That's only the first special feature shown. There are lots more on the way. Let's move on to check them out. Number 2. Play online videos. VLC can be used to play online videos. Click on the Media menu and click on Open Network Stream. Click on the Network tab. Paste the URL of the online video and click on the Play button. The video will start to play. Number 3. Record a currently playing video or audio. VLC can be used to record and capture a snippet of a video that you are playing. To enable the feature, click on the View menu and choose Advanced Controls. You will see extra buttons at the bottom. While playing a media file, click on the red circle Record button to start the recording. Press the button again to stop. For videos, recording will be saved in the Videos folder, while audio will be saved in the Music folder. Number 4. Record desktop. VLC can be used to record a video of your desktop, acting as a screen recorder. To enable the feature, click on the Media menu and click on Convert Save. Click on the Capture Device tab. From the Capture Mode drop-down menu, select the desktop option. Under Desired Frame Rate for the capture, select your frame rate. Click on Convert Save. From the Profile drop-down menu, select your desired codec or format. Click on the Browse button and choose a destination to save the file. Click on the Start button. To stop the recording, click on the square Stop button. Number 5. Record webcam. VLC allows you to record a video using the webcam. Click on the Media menu and choose Open Capture Device. From the Capture Mode drop-down menu, select the Direct Show option. From the Device Selection drop-down menus, select the video and audio device name from where it will capture. Click on the Play button and VLC will stream from your webcam. Click on the red circle Record button to record the currently playing video and you have yourself a webcam recorder. Number 6. Rip a DVD. You can use VLC to rip your DVDs into your computer. It's a simple way to create an archive of your DVDs for backup purposes, or a way to view them when you do not have access to the physical disc. Click on the Media menu and click on Convert Save. Click on the Disk tab. Under Disk Selection, select the media disk you are using and check No Disk Menus. Make sure that selected disk device is correct and click on the Convert Save button. Choose the codec you wish to save in and save it with the extension that is compatible with your codec. Number 7. Video and audio effects. VLC gives you a multitude of tools that allows you to manipulate the video and audio of any media. Click on the Tools menu and choose Effects and Filters. This will open the adjustments and effects box where you can adjust colors, crop, rotate video, add filters and much more. With audio, you get the usual equalizers to tune your music. Number 8. Add watermark on video. Using VLC, you can add your own watermarks on a video. You will need to use VLC's recording feature to save the video with the watermark. Click on the Tools menu and choose Effects and Filters. Click on the Video Effects tab. In the Overlay tab, you will see options to either add in your logo or simple text to the video. Number 9. Take a snapshot. Did you know that you can take a snapshot of a video you are watching? Simply use the shortcut Shift+S on Windows or Command+Alt+S on Mac OS. The picture will be saved in the Pictures folder. Number 10. Bookmark a video. If you need to bookmark a part of a video, you can do so. Click on the Playback menu, navigate to Custom Bookmarks and choose Manage. This will open the Edit Bookmarks box. Click on the Create button when at a section of a video you would like to bookmark. Number 11. Add subtitles. If a video you have doesn't come with subtitles, you can add your own by finding an SRT subtitle file for the video and adding it in. To add the file, play the video. Right-click on it, navigate to Subtitle and choose Add Subtitle File. Number 12. Adjust playback speed. You can use VLC to double or slow down the playback speed of a media file. Press closing bracket on your keyboard to fast forward by 0.1x for each press. To slow it down, press opening bracket instead. That's all. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below. If you liked my tutorial, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also press the bell icon to get notified about my new uploads.